this is a quick room tour of room 444 at TimHotel in opposite the Gare du Nord train station in Paris. So we've got a desk here, it came with some complimentary water and cookies and tea and coffee. Another desk there, and this is a family suite, so we've got a double and a single bed with Holly and Matthew on them. Have a quick look in the bathroom. So we've got a shower there, sink, hairdryer, towel rail, some toiletries and soaps, and a toilet. So we've got a wardrobe over here. Just to show you how close it is to the Gare du Nord train station, if we look out of our window, it's right there. So I think there might be a little bit of noise tonight, but it's quite thick double glazing, so hopefully it shouldn't be too bad.
There's also the
so if we look for that, there we go. So that's not too noisy. I've got some lamps each side of the bed. We've got 4 sockets next to the desk there. Chair, stool, and that's about it really. It's quite basic, but the location's great because we're going to be catching a train tomorrow from across the road. So thanks for watching this. Thanks for watching this room tour of the TimHotel, Gare du Nord, Paris. Bye. There's the outside of our hotel, TimHotel. And there is from the outside view from Gare du Nord, our hotel, TimHotel.